You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more confusing names that too many mispronounce, including from Irish and Welsh, and more confusing names. Euan is how you'd normally say it. It's easy once you know Euan, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to learn more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.